Dogs may not speak our language, but they have their own ways of communicating. Their methods are subtle yet profound, often requiring us to pay close attention to truly understand what they are trying to convey. Eye contact is a powerful tool in their arsenal. Through their eyes, dogs can express a wide range of emotions from love and trust to anxiety and fear. Dogs use their eyes to convey emotions, needs, and even to test boundaries. A soft, gentle gaze can indicate affection and contentment, while a hard, fixed stare might suggest discomfort or a challenge. Understanding what your dog is trying to tell you through their gaze can deepen your bond and make for a happier relationship. When you respond appropriately to their visual cues, you build trust and mutual respect. Remember though that staring can be interpreted differently in the canine world than in ours. Dogs often look away to show submission or to avoid confrontation. While we might see it as a sign of affection or attention, a prolonged, direct stare can be perceived as a challenge by dogs. This can lead to stress or even aggressive behavior if not understood correctly. It's crucial to pay attention to the context and other body language cues to interpret your dog's stare correctly. Look for signs like tail wagging, ear position, and overall body posture to get a complete picture of what your dog is feeling. By combining these visual signals, you can better understand your dog's emotional state and respond in a way that strengthens your relationship. This holistic approach to canine communication ensures a harmonious and fulfilling companionship. Have you ever noticed that warm, fuzzy feeling when you lock eyes with your dog? It's a moment that feels almost magical, as if you're sharing a secret language that only the two of you understand. That's not just your imagination, it's a real, scientifically backed phenomenon. Studies have shown that when dogs and humans make eye contact, both experience a surge in oxytocin. This is the same hormone that mothers release when they bond with their newborns. This hormone, often called the love hormone, plays a crucial role in bonding and social attachment. It helps to create a sense of trust and security, making you feel closer to your furry friend. This mutual release of oxytocin strengthens the bond between humans and their canine companions. It's like a feedback loop of love and affection, where both parties feel more connected and happy. It's a two-way street of affection, building trust and understanding. When you look into your dog's eyes, you're not just seeing a pet, you're seeing a friend, a confidant, and a loyal companion. So, the next time your dog gazes at you, take a moment to hold their gaze and feel that connection deepen. It's a simple act, but it can make a world of difference in your relationship, enriching both your lives in ways you might not even realize. Eye contact is a crucial part of canine communication, but it's only one piece of the puzzle. To understand what your dog is telling you, you need to read their entire body language. A relaxed body posture, wagging tail, and soft eyes usually indicate a happy and comfortable dog. On the other hand, a stiff body, lowered head, and whale eye, where you can see the white of their eyes, might signal fear or anxiety. If your dog is staring while yawning, licking their lips, or tucking their tail, it's likely a sign of stress. Dogs are masters of nonverbal communication, and they quickly learn that staring at their humans can be an effective way to get what they want. Is your dog staring at you intently while sitting by their empty food bowl? They're probably trying to tell you it's dinner time. Similarly, a dog might stare at you while standing by the door, signaling their desire for a walk. They might even bring you their favorite toy, hoping for a play session. Learning to recognize these cues helps you understand your dog's needs better. No more puppy eyes. Setting boundaries with your dog. Dogs are incredibly intuitive and can often sense our emotions, using their expressive eyes to communicate their desires. While those pleading eyes can be hard to resist, it's important to set boundaries with your dog. Establishing these boundaries helps create a healthy relationship and ensures your dog understands what is expected of them. Giving in to every stare down can lead to behavioral issues, with your dog learning that staring is the way to get what they want. This can result in a cycle where your dog becomes more demanding and less respectful of your space and rules. For instance, if your dog is staring at you while you're eating, don't give in and offer them food from your plate. This not only disrupts your mealtime but also reinforces negative behavior. This can encourage begging and create mealtime chaos. Over time, your dog may start to associate your mealtime with their opportunity to get treats, leading to persistent begging and even disruptive behavior. Instead, teach your dog to lie down in their bed while you eat, rewarding them for calm behavior. This not only helps in managing their expectations but also promotes a peaceful dining environment. Consistency is key. Make sure to reinforce this behavior regularly. Training sessions can be a great way to establish these boundaries. Use positive reinforcement techniques to reward your dog for following commands and respecting your space. Over time, your dog will learn that good behavior is rewarded, making them more likely to adhere to the boundaries you set. When staring signals, trouble recognizing health concerns. While most stares are simply your dog's way of communicating, sometimes unusual staring can indicate an underlying health issue. If your dog's staring behavior changes suddenly, or if it's accompanied by other symptoms like disorientation, seizures, or head pressing, consult your veterinarian immediately. For example, a dog staring blankly into space might be experiencing a seizure or neurological problem. Similarly, a dog persistently staring at a wall or seemingly fixated on nothing could signal vision problems or cognitive decline. The world through canine eyes, sensory perception and staring. Dogs experience the world differently than we do. Their senses, particularly their hearing and smell, are far more acute than ours. This heightened sensory perception might explain some seemingly mysterious staring behaviors. Your dog might stare intently at a spot where you can't see or hear anything, but they could be picking up a high-pitched sound or a faint scent. They might be fixated on the slightest movement or a change in air currents that we humans are oblivious to. A look of love, responding to your dog's gaze. Your dog's gaze is a powerful form of communication, expressing a range of emotions and needs. By learning to interpret their stares, considering the context, and recognizing their body language, you can deepen your bond and create a more harmonious relationship. Remember to acknowledge your dog's gaze, respond appropriately to their needs, and seek professional help if you notice any unusual staring behavior. After all, understanding your dog's silent language is key to being a responsible and loving owner.